Looking for a free website for your business as a DIY digital marketing option? In this video, I go over 7 free website builders, the reasons why I picked them, plus a bonus option that would be great for any beginner. Welcome to Tips with Tracy, where we go through the how-to of setting up your business online with DIY digital marketing. If you want to watch more of my tips, tricks, methods, and strategies on setting up your digital assets in the future, be sure to subscribe down below and turn on notifications so you never miss another upload. Now let's get to work. Before picking a website builder, you should determine the goal of the site and what you would like the site to accomplish. For example, a shoe store wants to sell shoes, but a plumber wants to generate leads. By focusing on what you need the website to do will narrow down your requirements. Using a free website builder can be a great option for small or local businesses. However, free doesn't necessarily mean the best website builder or the best option for your website. Here are the main factors I would use when picking one out. 1. Professionalism. Does it matter to you whether your website is branded with a website builder name or your custom domain name? What does that mean? When you want someone to go to your site, it can either be your domain name, for example, tracygurney.com, or the website builder name, like username.wixsite.com/site name. Gets pretty long. Are you okay with ads running on your site, or will that turn off your potential customer? Does the builder give you an SSL certificate in order for you to be HTTPS compliant and provide awesome uptime with their hosting, which is extremely important from a visitor standpoint and the way Google will treat your site? Number 2, how easy to use? Are you setting your site up then making changes occasionally, or will you be updating the site continuously? If you're making a lot of changes and not comfortable with the software, it can become a problem. Number 3, the look of the site. Do you want to be able to choose from amazing themes, or are you okay with a standard looking website without much customization? Number 4, Google Analytics integration. Google Analytics is free and requires you to have your own domain. The website tracking capabilities allow you to monitor a variety of metrics regarding your site visitors. It will help identify areas you need to work on if what you're doing on your website is working. Number 5, capture emails. All websites should capture emails from your visitors. Yes, you should offer something of value in order to get the visitor to submit their email, but it's pretty hard to do if you don't have the functionality. Minimum requirement is at least a contact form. Now let's compare the website builders I picked out with these factors. Wix. Free version does not use your domain name as a URL and does have small ads running on your website. Your site will be HTTPS and they provide 99.9% uptime. It has a user-friendly drag and drop builder, which is super easy to use, and the templates provided by Wix are really good, but with limited customization. You can't track with Google Analytics, but you do have a basic form. Weebly. Like Wix, you'll not be able to use your domain name and will have ads running on your site. It will provide SSL certificate and 99.98% uptime. You'll get a drag and drop builder that is super intuitive and great for beginners. Again, limited customization. You can't use Google Analytics, but it will provide a way to capture email. Our next option is WordPress.com. And when I refer to WordPress.com, don't get it confused with WordPress.org, which is a completely self-hosted open source platform. WordPress.com uses the open source WordPress platform to create websites on its hosting solution. It's also a content management system, or CMS, which allows more complex types of websites. With WordPress.com, you will not get a custom domain. You will get ads on your site. It does provide an SSL certificate and has 99% uptime. The builder itself is more complex and not as intuitive. And Google Analytics is only available on paid plans. The beauty of WordPress.com is that you can easily move the website if you decide that you don't like the plans available for upgrade, or if you want to host the website somewhere else. This would involve you exporting your website and then importing it to a different hosting company that was running the WordPress platform. Also, since the open source platform is very popular, there is much more support for themes and plugins. Card. This website builder is slightly different as it focuses only on providing one-page websites, which if you just want to put up a business card is perfect. Like the previous builders, you don't get a custom domain connected with card. There aren't any ads running, but there will be a made with card branding on your site. The free plan provides SSL, and based on playing with their site, it's fast loading. Although I couldn't find any uptime stats from the company, my test site showed 99.98 uptime after being hosted for over 1 month. The builder is easy, nice templates available. However, there is limited customization. You can't use Google Analytics, and you'll need the paid plan in order to capture emails. The paid plans are super cheap though. Comment below and let me know if this is helping you picking a website builder. And if you need help to set up your website, check out my video tutorials where I show you how. Now moving on, Ucraft. Ucraft does allow you to connect your domain to their platform, but will run ads on your site. SSL security is included in the free plan, and if you check out their uptime status over the past 6 months, there was only 1 month where it wasn't 100%, and that came in at 99.98% instead. The builder itself isn't intuitive, more like using WordPress than Wix. It's also not exactly a drag and drop builder and has limited customization and templates. But because you can use your own domain, you do have Google Analytics available, but you will need paid plan to have a form on your site. Bookmark. Bookmark is a bit different where you let artificial intelligence, called Ada, build your site for you in about 2 minutes based on the information you enter. The free plan doesn't provide a custom domain, and your site will display ads. SSL certification is included, and Bookmark uses Amazon Web Services for their servers, which allows them to have pretty well 100% reliability. It has a fairly friendly drag and drop builder, and once your website is created, you can easily edit it. You can use their free site-wide SEO to add Google Analytics, and you can add a contact form in the free plan. Google Sites. Google Sites has been around for a long time. You can have a custom domain name, and although they don't run ads, they will add Made with Google in the footer of the site. Their sites are all HTTPS, and their uptime is pretty well 100%. When creating a site, make sure to use the new site builder as the old one or classic editor is going, and all sites built on it will need to be updated. Their builder is easy to use, but with limited customization and themes. You can integrate Google Analytics, and there is an option for a contact form. You will need a Google account. And on to my bonus option, Google My Business. Now, Google My Business is not a website, but it is a great tool to add to your digital marketing options. If you have a website, you still can have a GMB as they are completely different. GMB is a Google product that helps with their search and map products. And the previous determining factors don't apply here. If you can create a GMB for your business, you should. It will display information regarding your contact details, about your company, store hours, product and service descriptions, images, reviews, and customers can text message you through your GMB. It also has its own analytics. In order to have a Google My Business listing, you do need a Google account, and you do need to verify your Google My Business listing. Verification proves that you are the rightful owner of the business and that no one else can make updates to your business profile listing. I have a video showing how to set up and optimize your GMB to take you through those steps. Remember, as you grow your business and your needs change, all these website builder plans, with the exception of Google Sites and Google My Business, can be upgraded from free to paid. This allows you to connect a custom domain and have your website ads free. Also, more templates will become available as well as support. Another factor to consider is if you do want to eventually move the website to another platform, how easy will it be? Those are all the options, and I'll leave a link in the description below in case you decide that you want to go build your website. And if you need some help getting your business online, download my Getting Your Business Online guide in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified when I upload a new video.